Hi everyone, this is my YouTube channel Priyanka Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to start a new topic, numerical analysis. This topic is very important for academic as well as for competitive examination. In every competitive examination, 1 or 2 questions from this topic comes. So, the first thing is why we need numerical analysis. The thing is, when we solve any equation and we are not able to find its exact solution, then how we solve that equation? So from here, when we are not able to find exact solution of any equation, then we solve the equation by approximating solution of that equation. So this approximation gives rise to numerical analysis. That means we just approximate the solution of the equation and we solve the equation. This was the need, or we can say origin of numerical analysis. There are lot of methods to solve any equation in numerical analysis. Hence we will start some of the basic methods as the first topic we will start in this book or in this topic is solution of algebraic and transcendental equations. So in this topic you can see there are two terms. First is algebraic and second is transcendental. First we need to understand what are algebraic equations and what are transcendental equations. Algebraic equations are also known as polynomial equations, and I hope you have studied a lot polynomial equations and you have solved them from many methods. You have studied polynomial equation for quadratic, cubic, biquadratic, and we can easily solve polynomial equation. Now the thing is, what is transcendental equation? Then a transcendental equation is an equation which contains transcendental function. And I have told you earlier also what are transcendental function. Exponential function, logarithmic function, or sine, cos, such function are known as transcendental function. So if any equation contained these kind of function, transcendental function, that equation is known as transcendental equation. And to solve such kind of equation we need numerical analysis, because we cannot find exact solution for such kind of problems. Hence we need approximate solution for such kind of equation.